Hi, I'm The Curious Mind, and I'm here to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. In the last episode, we got up close and personal with the major players in direct selling. Now, it's time to explore one of the most frequently asked questions about direct selling. Is it a legal and safe industry? So you might be thinking about signing up to direct selling. That's great, but wait, how do you know if a business is legit? What happens if things go wrong? It's totally normal to be concerned, but you'll be glad to know that the direct selling industry is serious about protecting its members, and that's why it has regulation. But why is regulation important? To find out, we need to rewind to the very beginning. In ancient times, Babylon was a hub for trade, but some ground rules were needed to prevent illegal activities, so they created a law called the Code of Hammurabi that laid out the basic rules for trading. It was one of the world's oldest legal codes, and with the laws in place, trade began to flourish. So you can see how regulation protects people and creates confidence in the market. Today, direct selling is protected in two ways: self-regulation through the Code of Ethics and laws in individual countries. So what is the Code of Ethics and how did it come about? Direct selling began getting popular in the US from the 1900s onwards, and with that came a need for an independent body to represent the sector. This led to the formation of the US Direct Selling Association. The DSA also created the industry's Code of Ethics to maintain the highest standards for doing business. It covers what can and can't be done when it comes to earnings, products, and more. Today, more than 60 countries have their own direct selling associations. Local direct selling associations are a key part of the industry's support structure. They act to promote the industry and to build trust and integrity at the local level through the Code of Conduct. As you can see, the Code of Conduct is at the heart of the business of direct selling, helping protect the industry's integrity. In fact, all legitimate direct selling firms comply with the code. That's how you can tell that a company is legit and not just some illegal scheme. Take Avon for example. Their distributors need to demonstrate compliance with the Code of Ethics during their annual review. Another example is QNet. It has an online certification called QNet Pro to educate distributors on professional business practices. But the Code of Ethics is only half the story. The other half of protection comes from local laws. Local regulation is a really crucial part of the story. Robust regulation helps direct selling thrive and also plays a part in shaping public perception towards the industry. Take Malaysia as an example. The country's Ministry of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs applies strict rules to ensure the industry adheres to the highest standards. The ministry requires all direct selling businesses to obtain a relevant license in order to operate. These licenses need to be displayed prominently or produced upon request. The ministry also endorses the local DSA's Code of Conduct. In a further move of support, Malaysia plans to update existing laws covering direct selling to bring them in line with modern times. Together, these rules have helped cement the status of direct selling as a secure and legitimate business in the country. But not all countries have supportive legislation. Sadly, this means the industry isn't receiving the kind of recognition it deserves in some parts of the world. Local regulation depends on how familiar each country is with direct selling. With new markets emerging, some developing countries like India are still playing catch-up. Why is local regulation so important? Experts say that clear regulation helps create trust in the industry, and trust makes the industry prosper. From the Code of Ethics to local laws, protection is at the heart of direct selling. These factors put together offer the highest standards in the industry. But for direct selling to really flourish, local laws need to step up. In the meantime, self-regulation through the Code of Ethics is helping to build trust in the market. So do you feel more confident about the industry now? If you're still curious, you could always read up on the Code of Ethics on the DSA's website. In the next episode, we'll explore the intangible benefits that come with direct selling. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Till then, stay curious.